In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Ledger Nano X. So first, just gonna open up Kraken, and you will need a few more things. Of course, you need to have a Ledger Nano X. You also need to have the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. And from there, just gonna open up Kraken and go to your portfolio, then click withdraw. And then here, just select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer to your Ledger Nano X. For example, use Bitcoin. Here, select the network you want to use. For example, I'll do Bitcoin. Just make sure you pick the same one that you pick on your Ledger Live app, and I'll show you how that works. But from here, click Add Withdrawal Address, and now you need to have the withdrawal address. So to find this, you can open up the Ledger Live app, then connect and unlock your Ledger Nano X, and make sure your Ledger firmware and apps are up to date. Now from there, to get your receiving address in Ledger Live, click on Accounts on the left sidebar and select the account for the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example your Bitcoin account in my case, and then just click on Receive. Now connect your Ledger Nano X if prompted, and then just copy the address that they give you. Now make sure that it says the same network that you picked on Kraken. So for Bitcoin, most often it's Bitcoin, for Ethereum, etc. Then from there on Kraken, just paste in that address right here and give it a nickname, for example Ledger Bitcoin, and click Add Withdrawal Address. From there, they will send you an email to confirm you want to add it. Just go and confirm it in your email, and then it will show up in the list, and you can then select it from the list. Then here, choose how much you would like to send, and then you can click review and confirm it, and then it will be on its way to your Ledger Nano X. Now, if you're transferring a large amount, I recommend doing a small portion first to see if it arrives on your Ledger Nano X, which it should if you select the same network and currency. But just for safety, I would recommend doing a small amount first, and then when it arrives, then sending the rest of it. So that's how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Ledger Nano X. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.